Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate ClickUp with Zapier API credentials, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate ClickUp with Zapier API credentials, first, log into your ClickUp account. Navigate to your ClickUp settings. In the sidebar, locate the Integrations section. Click on API to access your API credentials. You will see your API token displayed on this page. If you do not have an API token, click on the option to create a new token. Once your API token is ready, copy it to your clipboard. Next, open a new tab and log into your Zapier account. In Zapier, create a new Zap by clicking on the Make a Zap button. Search for ClickUp in the list of available apps. Select ClickUp as your trigger or action app. You will be prompted to connect your ClickUp account. Click the Connect a New Account button. A new window will appear asking for your API token. Paste your copied API token into the provided field. Click the Yes, Continue button to proceed. Zapier will verify your API token for authentication. Once verified, your ClickUp account will be successfully connected to Zapier. Now you can set up your Zap with ClickUp actions or triggers. Make sure to test the connection to ensure everything is working smoothly. You are now ready to automate your tasks using ClickUp and Zapier together. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.